Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making chocolate biryani. Easy recipe we can make within half an hour. Oil 3 tablespoons, whole spices, cardamom, cinnamon, clove. Chopped onion 1 cup. Fry until changes color. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Chicken 400 grams. Salt as per taste. Pepper powder 2 tablespoons. Mix everything. Chicken stock half cube. Curd half cup. Mix everything. Close the lid. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Now add dark soya sauce 2 tablespoons. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Cooked rice 90% cooked rice 2 cups. Fried onion on top optional. Lemon juice. Coriander on top. Dum for 5 minutes on low heat. Slightly mix biryani. Chocolate biryani is ready to eat without any chocolates. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.